Okay, here's how I have this wired. First, it's a 5-way switch that works just like any other Stratocaster. The first pot is volume, obviously. The third pot is a high frequency tone control, but it puts both the outside humbuckers on together when you push it, like the middle position of a Les Paul. So when I push it, both of the outside pickups are on. So position 1 and position 5 are now identical. If you put it in position 2 or position 4, now all 3 pickups are on. So I'm going to put that back in, one pickup on at a time. Now the second pot is more of a mid-range tone control, but it's a push-push pot, not a push-pull pot. If you push it, it cuts both the outside pickups into single coils at the same time. I'm going to push it. Now that works for both of them. So this is just the front pickup in single coil. This is just the back pickup in single coil. And this combines like in position 2 and 4, both the back and the middle and the other one. Now this works in conjunction with putting the outside 2 pickups on. So if I push this, now both outside pickups are on in single coil. Or if you put it in position 2 or position 4, now it's all 3 pickups are on and both of the outside ones are in single coil, and obviously the middle one is single coil. Pretty cool, isn't it?